Hey Big Kid creators, welcome back to Big Kid Things. Today, we're becoming poster pros. We're learning how to make our very own poster using something called Canva. So, what's Canva? It's a super cool website where you can make birthday invites, school projects, and even posters like a real designer. And guess what? It's free and fun. Okay, step 1. Ask a grown-up to help you open canva.com in a browser. Once you're in, click on Create a Design, then choose Poster. Let your imagination fly. Every good poster needs a cool title. Click the text button, pick a style you like, and type your words. Now let's add some pictures. Click Elements or Uploads. Wanna change colors? Just click on something and pick your favorite color. You can move things, make them bigger or smaller. You are the artist. When your poster looks amazing, it's time for the designer dance. Ready? 3, 2, 1, spin around, point to your poster, and say, "I made this." Need help thinking of what to put on your poster? Ask ChatGPT for ideas. You can say, "Hey ChatGPT, give me 5 fun poster themes." You did it, Poster Pro. You made something amazing. Don't forget to save and print your poster. Next time, we're learning how to play video games with friends. See you soon, creators.